So we've always believed that 222 was the eventual end goal in an area where people are going to be at. We have explored multiple methods of disinfecting the flight deck. And what we found is we wanted to make sure whatever solution we selected was not only safe for the interiors, safe for people to use, but also doesn't interfere with the functions of the electronics, the avionics in the flight deck. We've determined that UV in general was a more effective method of disinfecting the flight deck, and 222 in particular. The UV wand is meant to disinfect surfaces. It definitely is quicker and more efficient and more effective, and it doesn't affect any of our electronics components, exactly what we wanted it to do. We're really excited about the possibilities of what our airplane customers will be able to do with the wand. And we're just pretty excited about the future of how we can apply 222.